Welcome guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video I'm going to show you how to read text from Textfield. For that purpose we are going to create a demo app where we'll have a text field and a button and a text. When the button is clicked, the text provided in the text field will be shown in the text widget. Okay, so let's start coding. I'm going to create a stateless widget first of all. And then I'm going to resolve the squiggly lines, create a void main which is the starting point of our app, and then I'm going to make it a material app, define a home, going to create a stateful widget for my home page. Okay, so the reason why we are creating stateful widget is because we have a button. When it is clicked, the text has to be read from the text field and needs to be shown in text widget. So here we are going to create a scaffold widget and then body. We are going to have a text field, button and a text widget, right? So in order to show them, what I'm going to use is a column widget. So once the column widget is defined, I can specify the childs like this. Okay, so we have defined the raised button, text field and text widget. So for displaying text here, I am going to create a variable called string and make it empty. So in order to display the state, I am going to have a dollar symbol and then the variable. Okay, so I'm going to give some text for the raised button. Click here. So let me run this app now and see what it is showing. Okay. So we have the app up and running. You can see the text field is very much top on the screen, and then there is a button over here. So there is a label over here which is not shown because there is no text provided within it. So let me align them properly. Add some padding to text field. Okay, so now we have the text field and then a button. See, you can see the button is not responsive because on pressed is shown as null. So let me define on pressed. So we are going to use general set state of here. So now we are going to make underscore text provided is equal to text field.text. In order to make it possible, what we are going to do is we need to assign a controller to text field. So this is how we assign controller. Final. So for text boxes we have text editing controller. So once this is done, assign this assign this text field controller to the text field. So once the text field is assigned a controller, what I can do is I can take the text field controller name and then dot text. So now let's see what's happening. You can see the text is being read. So as I provide some text here, when I click here, the text is updated in the label. So this is how we read text from the text field. So what we have done is we have assigned a controller. Using that controller and text property, we are actually assigning text to the text provider. That's it for this example. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.